Understanding Cross-Border Deals, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and highly relevant topic in the world of business and finance: cross-border deals. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a student of business, or just curious about how international business transactions work, this video will shed light on what cross-border deals are and why they're important. Let's explore this concept together, making it as simple and understandable as possible. Cross-border deals refer to any form of business transactions or agreements that occur between two or more parties located in different countries. This can range from trade agreements, mergers and acquisitions, joint ventures, to partnerships that aim to expand business operations beyond domestic borders. The key aspect of these deals is that they transcend national boundaries, involving international law, multiple currencies, and diverse cultural considerations. Cross-border deals play a crucial role in the global economy. They allow businesses to access new markets, reaching customers in different countries, leverage resources and technologies that may not be available domestically, diversify their operations and reduce risk, as relying on a single market can be risky, achieve economies of scale, reducing costs by expanding their operations internationally. These deals can be complex, requiring careful planning and understanding of international regulations, but the potential benefits for business growth and global reach are significant. Despite their benefits, cross-border deals come with their own set of challenges. Cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings and miscommunications. Legal and regulatory hurdles, as each country has its own set of rules governing business transactions. Currency fluctuations can affect the profitability and feasibility of deals. Political instability in certain regions can introduce risks. Understanding and navigating these challenges is crucial for successful cross-border deals. To illustrate, let's look at a few examples. A technology firm in the United States acquiring a software company in India. A German car manufacturer forming a joint venture with a Chinese auto company to produce vehicles in China. Retail chains expanding their operations by opening stores in multiple countries across different continents. These examples highlight the diverse nature of cross-border deals and their potential to transform businesses. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of cross-border deals and their significance in the world today. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone interested in learning more about how businesses operate on a global scale, understanding these international transactions is key. Remember, in our increasingly interconnected world, the ability to engage in and manage cross-border deals is becoming more important than ever. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Happy learning!